It's often very hard to find a good broker that is fast, efficient, with no congestion, instant transaction times, and low fees. That's why today we're going to be comparing two powerhouse brokers to decide which one is better for you to trade on. None of this is financial advice, but without further ado, let's jump in to the world of brokers. So today we're going to be comparing PU Prime with the amazing Oanda. Now, Oanda is a reputable and well-known platform, but I do believe PU Prime has many different features that actually place it ahead of Oanda in terms of trading fees, in terms of speed, and just in terms of infrastructure in general. First, let's take a look at the spreads. Here we can see the PU Prime spreads, and let's just use gold for an example here. So the spread on gold here, as you can see, is just 0.7 on PU Prime. But if we go over to Oanda here, we can actually see the spread here is a whopping 66 when it comes to trading gold. So right off the bat, in terms of spread, I would say that PU Prime is the winner in this race so far. When it comes to what assets you actually have access to, I would say PU Prime also wins here as well. As you can see, Forex, indices, commodities, you've got metals here, shares, ETFs, and bonds. They do actually offer cryptocurrency as well here. Where if we go over to Oanda, we can see that they do offer a lot of different things here, but their main focus is on Forex and CFDs. The other assets they do offer, but they have very limited different assets on there. If you wanted to trade a wide variety of crypto, you probably couldn't do that on Oanda compared to PU Prime that does offer many different things here. When it comes to leverage, I'm going to say Oanda do offer a very decent 1 to 30 leverage on your trades, but I will say PU Prime winning this one again, allowing as much as 500x leverage on your trades. So that's a 1 to 500 on PU Prime and a 1 to 30 on Oanda. So again, PU Prime just inching ahead on this anyway. But why would you pick Oanda over PU Prime? Well, I would say Oanda do have one feature on their platform that PU Prime don't have, and that feature is in fact access to TradingView, where you can trade directly from TradingView. Now this some people may prefer, but I will say TradingView is very tricky for trades, and it can get a little bit confusing and overwhelming compared to other things such as PU Prime's personal web trader here that you can basically just access through your browser. So here we can see all of the things in terms of platform that PU Prime offer. And if we go over to Oanda here, they offer pretty decent stuff, but as you can see, slightly less here. They do have a mobile app similar to PU Prime. They've got TradingView access. They've got MetaTrader 5, but not MetaTrader 4. And they have a market update thing right here as well. So really, they've only got 3 ways you can trade with Oanda, but on PU Prime, you can actually trade with various different things such as their app, MetaTrader 4 and 5, copy trading, which will basically allow you to copy other traders that are performing well. So you don't even need to think. When they take a trade, you take a trade. This is something that's quite revolutionary and innovative. So definitely check out PU Prime for that. And they have the web trader that we just spoke about, which is directly in your browser. When it comes to trading speed, this is something that we do see quite repetitively across the broker space. And we do see that PU Prime actually are faster than pretty much everyone out there. The reason for this is because PU Prime actually are a bit of a newer company. They have newer, upgraded infrastructure, allowing them to get past any congestion in highly populated trader times. And this just allows them to get ahead of the curve, allowing you to execute your trades instantly without having to wait and potentially miss your entry like you could do with Oanda. Now, in terms of regulation here, guys, PU Prime are actually fully regulated in the Seychelles, which is something that's fantastic because you're actually going to get the benefit of being able to trade pretty much anywhere in the world. This is something that is a great bit of regulation to have, but it's not going to be too constricting compared to Oanda, who is regulated, but they're regulated very tightly, which basically means you can't trade from a lot of places in the world. So if you are from a location where typically you don't get access to brokers, definitely check out PU Prime because these guys have good regulation, which do allow for higher leverages, but also they do allow for more locations to access this as traders. So if you're looking for lower costs, more leverage, crypto trading, PU Prime is definitely the better choice here. And I will say they do have that copy trading feature as well. So definitely check out PU Prime in the description because you're just going to have a way better time as a trader. That's going to be it for this video. Have a fantastic day and I will see you in the next one.